Hi, welcome guys. My name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 1A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form, which can be from IGNU or which can be from NIOS, which can be from anything institute. So we are providing any type of solutions. So for this, if you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 90093682238, so that we will contact you as soon as possible. So here the question number 1A, which is examine how the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the Legislative Assembly of the state. Okay, actually, this is the question is taken from the lesson 21, and you have to answer in the 40 to 60 words. We have prepared all the answers according to the word limit, according to the chapter wise. If you need this, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers automatically. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.